Hi, I'm Pat Rosengren, and this is Huntington Profiles. Today we're talking to an attorney and mediator, Randy Sotomayor. Hi, Randy.
Good to see you again.
I have a friend who's gotten herself into a conflict recently, but she doesn't have an attorney. Does she need one?
Parties are not required to have lawyers to participate in a mediation. It's a problem-solving, conflict resolution proceeding that enables the parties to solve the problem on their own. But when there are legal issues involved, I think it is best for parties to engage a lawyer who can identify legal issues that might arise in mediation and, in fact, weigh the pros and cons of a settlement agreement that might be reached in mediation, which is, of course, the goal, and also to make sure that some of the legal requirements of settlements to make sure they're enforceable are included in the agreement.
Sounds like a lot of money could be saved by going to a mediator.
Absolutely. Even if she has to spring for a lawyer at the outset to protect her legal interests in the setting of a mediation, lawyers will charge thousands of dollars a month in legal fees to go through the process of up to 5 years of getting to trial. Going to mediation is a tremendous cost-saving and emotion-saving procedure. People get into mediation, they air their problems. It is a respectful setting. It is a fair setting. Nobody forces you into a resolution that you don't want. In fact, it is a process by which you can identify the risks and costs of going forward with or without lawyers, all the way through expensive pretrial litigation, trial, possible appeal, and the desire and benefit of getting the problem solved, usually in less than a day, is tremendously valuable.
Randy, my friend has a small business and is concerned about confidentiality. Should she be?
Absolutely. And in addition, lawsuits are public record. So people are always doing litigation searches. Sometimes if they're going to vet a business and if they want to do business with somebody, they check out what litigation they've been involved in. If you actually engage in mediation prior to filing a lawsuit or having a lawsuit filed against you or your business, that is a completely confidential proceeding, and there's in fact no public record of that proceeding. Above all, mediation is an efficient, cost-effective process that in the end saves relationships, saves businesses, and saves deals.
Thank you, Randy, for coming today. I learned a lot.
My pleasure.
And thank you for watching Huntington Profiles.